So today I'm gonna show unboxing and review of M3 fitness band. So let's start. And I have ordered it from Flipkart. You can also order it from Flipkart. I have given the link in the description. And let's start it unboxing. And we can see the M3 fitness band is here. And there is a charging, I think charging cable is given by M3 fitness band. And here is our M3 fitness band. First of all, I will remove this sticker from here, and you can see the quality. I think it is very good, and it is not charged, I think, and I think you have to charge like this. You can put on the adapter of a mobile and you can charge it, and when you will on the switch, you will find it vibrate at least 2 times, and logo of Fit Pro is there, and let it be charged. And you can see here the paperwork is given. You can read the small all manuals here, and let us start. After charging, I have started. You can see state, BPM, sports, messages, and more option is there. And let's go to our mobile screen. What I have to do, you have to just search Fit Pro, and you have to install the app to connect it to our band. So let it be installed and open it, and you have to allow all the options, and again allow and agree. And after that, you have to set the locations. You can allow this also, and you have to just see that Bluetooth should be on because it connect via Bluetooth. And you have to just click on there and click on OK. You have to allow again and click on back, and you have to just click on this. It will be scanning the devices after there, and after some time you will find this, and you can easily tap to connect that, and it will be automatically connected everything. And after that, you can see here, you can also here log in by registering, or you have to mail or not, and you can also register here. And after registering, you can see various options in this, and you can on all the options so that you will receive the notification on your band. It give notification by vibrating, and so it will be know that some messages are come or not. You have to allow these options to just know that your message is on phone or not. And after that, you can see everything in this app, and you have to on the vibration settings so that your watch will be vibrate. And here is given, if you rest your watch toward your face, it will be start brightening up. So you can adjust its timing, and you can on or off it. I have sort of off this. And after that, you can see here alarms are given, and DND mode and sitting mode is given. You can enjoy all the functions of that. And you can also find your watch. It will be start vibrating. You will click on find. You can see your rank by stepping and all that. And you can hear, and all very good option. You can also buy it. It's a fitness band and very good. And you can see your daily average or week or month. So your steps are recorded in that app, and you have to just you can hear, you can see heart rate also. And after that, I will show you. You can see our heart rate by click on that. A scanner is given by them, M3 fitness band. And after that, a calling is come, it will start vibrating. And in last, I will said it is a value for money. You can buy it. And thank you.